The Autel MaxiSYS Ultra S2 with VCMI2 is the ultimate diagnostic tool for automotive professionals looking to take their capabilities to the next level. Equipped with a powerful octa-core processor, a massive 13-inch touchscreen, and advanced VCMI2 technology, it delivers lightning-fast performance and comprehensive vehicle coverage. Whether you're performing diagnostics, coding, or programming, the Ultra S2 streamlines your workflow with intelligent guidance and detailed repair information. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Elevate your efficiency and accuracy like never before. So go ahead and place your pre-order now on our website to secure your machine today. Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at locksmithkeyless.com, and make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.